Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is a what's on my nails video, and I am really pleased with what I have on my nails this time. If you recall my last two what's on my nails videos, I wasn't really satisfied with how my nails were looking. I got them done initially at the mall when I was in Michigan visiting family, and I didn't really pay attention, I guess, to how the nails were looking until I got out in the light, and some of them were uneven. I mean, just go back and look at that video. You'll be able to see how the nails looked. So I did go to another shop in Michigan, down the street from my mom's house, and she was able to fix my nails somewhat, but I still wasn't very like satisfied or blown back. I just settled with it because at that point I had gotten my nails done twice in like a week, and that is expensive, so I didn't want to spend that much money on nails. So I was like, I'm gonna wait until it's time to get a feel and try a different nail salon. Now this nail salon I did find on Facebook, and I was attracted to the nail salon because the pictures are really nice, the reviews were good, and their website looked professional. So I was like, okay, I can go ahead and book on the website, but I wanted to make sure that it was a legitimate place because I didn't really know the area of the nail shop. Still really don't know the area, and I just wanted to make sure it wasn't a scam. So I called the number, and everything sounded, legitimate. She was professional. The woman that answered, she's also the woman that owns the shop, and I decided to go ahead and book an appointment for Saturday at 2. So I arrived at my appointment around like at 1:45. When I went in there, it looked very sanitary, very pleasant vibe. It wasn't too packed, but she did have consistent clientele coming in. What else do I want to say? It was a good experience. Some places allow you to take your kids, some places don't. Because I was already out with my kids and I was getting their haircuts and things like that, we were doing a little bit of shopping. I decided to take them with me. So I took them with me, and as long as they have their tablets or their phones, they're good waiting for me to get my nails done. And I thought it was really cool that she allowed them to come in, because not all nail salons allow children to come in and wait, or even not even children and guests. There have been nail salons that I have been told, you can't bring anyone, or not even salons, like people that do nails out of their home, they'll have, don't bring anyone with you, which I get. I'm not this video isn't to talk about how anyone's policy is. It's just to kind of go over my experience. So I was happy that she was able to accommodate me having my children with me. So I waited, got in, and she took a look at my nails, and she could tell, because I've gone to so many nail salons and my nails were just falling apart. She was like, you're going to need a balance, which I think is the same thing as a fill. I'm not sure, but it looked a little different because she really got out all of the old acrylic and gel and just kind of built my nails up again. And I wanted a design, but because I had these old nails, they're not really even old. It's just the nails mixing acrylics, mixing gels. My nails just weren't in a good state to get a design. So she mentioned that she would rather start like with a new set. So I did get a feel. I didn't want just normal polish. I wanted something different. So she did like an ombre with 2 colors. I wanted 3 colors, but the next time I go back, she said she can add another color to it. So we're probably going to add like white to it the next time I go back. But I want to show you out what my nails look like. So before I show you, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed. And without further ado, here are my nails. So this is what my nails look like this time. As you can see, it's kind of like an ombre. This hand honestly came out better than this hand. I did tell her in the salon, I was explaining to her, like, I really want this hand to look like this hand. I want more glitter on this hand. But she was explaining that it's really hard to get them to look similar, especially with how my nails are, because she had to file more down on this nail and like on this hand than she did this hand. So like the purple showed up more on this hand than it did on this hand, and the lighter color showed up more on this hand than it did this hand, which, I mean, I kind of get what she was saying, but I really do wish that they both could have looked the same. But I'm not going to complain about it. They do look nice. They are a nice shape. She did fix my thumb, so my thumb isn't like lopsided and not even like it was before. Here is a close-up of my nails. Again, this nail, like this hand sticks out way more than this one does to me. And I love this hand over, you know, these nails are cute too, but I just wish that they were more like more glittery like this hand. She did go ahead and do a design on these two fingers, and she just did like lines, and she added a butterfly sticker. That's pretty much it. So next time I go back, she mentioned that, you know, if I come back and I do one ombre, she can go ahead and fill like white right here, so it'll look more of like an ombre type of style. But you know, it's fine. My nails definitely look a lot better than what they were looking, so I'm not going to really complain about that. Again, my only complaint is that, or my only wish, not even complaint because I really don't have a complaint with these nails, is that there were more glitter like on these on this hand, just like this hand. That's really it. But when she explained why it was how it is, again, I'm not a nail tech, and I say again because I've said this in some other videos, so I really don't know like what you can do, what you can't do. I'm pretty sure that she could have darkened it up, but what she was saying about how the colors were coming through, like the darker colors were coming through more on this hand because she didn't have to foul the colored acrylic off as much as she did this hand. I kind of understood what she was meaning. She needed more gel on this hand than this hand, and she didn't want my nails to look too like she didn't want my nails to look too like off balanced or bulky. Like this hand be like this and this hand be super bulky because I'm trying to make them look the same. But again, like I said, compared to last time, I'm definitely not going to complain. I didn't get my toes done at the nail salon that I went to because I have a place that I like going to for my toes now. And really it's not even like, my toes still look really fine. The only thing is my toes are white, if you all remember from my last What's on My Nails video. And because I got purple and I wanted to get purple and white, but she thought that purple and silver, like purple and glitter, excuse me, would look better. And I'll get the white next time, but I wanted white because I have white on my toes and I didn't want my nails purple and my toes white. So what I thought would be a good idea is to add like a white design onto my nails. So that's what she did. She wanted to do a design with like white and purple, but because I just really wanted that white to stick out because of my toes, I told her no thank you, and I just got the white designs. So here's another close-up, super close-up. I like how they're not too bulky, too thick. I just like them. I do like the length. I do miss my long nails, I'm not gonna lie, but I think that I'm probably gonna keep going to her and let my nails grow out versus getting these taken off. I just am tired of getting my nails taken off and new nails put on, especially when you don't really know how the shop does it. You don't know if they're gonna be rough or you don't know if you're gonna start bleeding. I just really don't want to. Plus, my kids are with me, excuse me. And I just didn't want to take the whole entire day getting my nails done. Of course, I needed to get, I mean, I didn't need to, but I really wanted to get my nails done. They needed their haircut. But yeah, I just didn't want to be doing like, I didn't want to be doing that all day. So yes, I am looking forward to getting my nails done with my baby. Well, not my baby. Yes, my baby, but not when she's a baby, if that makes sense. I am expecting, so I'm expecting my first daughter. So when she comes and when she gets old enough, I'm just going to be super excited to do like nail updates with her as well. And I'll do cute little girl nail designs and do videos on that too. So you all can see if she likes getting her nails done, because some girls don't like getting their nails done. So I'll just have to see what her personality is. But enough of me rambling. Let me know in the comments how you feel about my nails this time. If you think that they look nice, if they don't, let me know. Again, I don't know when I'm going to have extremely long nails again. I'm not ruling it out because you never know when you go in, you know. Sometimes I just have a feeling of getting longer nails. Sometimes I don't. It just depends. But for right now, this is what my nails are looking like, and I kind of like them. So I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.